Are you a fashion girly looking forward to beading your own outfit? Then bring your seats, come closer. Precious, come here. You are the one I'm talking to. It's not every time you'll be paying people, help me bead my clothes. You spend 5,000, 10,000 for beading. You can still do your beading yourself without having to spend much. So this is me. I'm trying to put the threads on my needle. Instead of the normal 2, I decided to make it 4 so that it will be thick enough. It will help me secure my edges. At least make it very tight and thick, you get. So in case you want to do your own beading, make sure you make your thread double. You double your thread so that it will be 4 instead of the normal 2. So I've already marked out the place my beads will be sitting on, the thread I'll be passing for the beads to sit on. So I decided to give it 2-inch space. You can decide to make your own 1 or 1.5 depending. For mine, I decided to give it 2-inch space so that it will not be jam-packed. At least it will have space in between. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So I started putting my beads. This is me trying to put my beads, although it wasn't easy at first, but I looked for an easier option, you know. I decided to use my needle to pick the beads, because this one I'm picking the beads one after the other, I'm putting it. It's taking a lot of time, so I decided to use another option to get, and it works for me. I won't say it's that easy, but at least it was better than the other method I used. So anyone that works for you is fine. And at this point, you should know you have to be very patient. If you are not patient, girl, you will not be able to. At least anyone who is in the fashion line should know that patience is key when it comes to anything. So if you are not patient, you will not get it right. At some point, you might be exhausted. Fine. Take a little break. You can decide to go and sleep. Just rest, walk around, then come back. Because the more you try to do a fast way, the more you keep on making mistakes. And sometimes machines can be pretty funny, you know. When you are trying to rush an outfit, probably you have somewhere to go to. That is when they'll start misbehaving. I don't know if I'm the only one experiencing that. Anytime I'm trying to do something fast, probably I have somewhere to go, my machine will just start misbehaving. I don't know if I'm the only one experiencing that. But anyways, you just have to be very patient in anything sewing. Whether you are sewing, whether you are beading, you just have to be very patient. So as you can see, I'm done fixing all the beads. So I'm trying to secure the other parts, you get. This thing wanted to disgrace me, but my God passed, I'm sure. So this is me trying to secure the other parts, you get. So you see, at this point, I was just trying to, I don't know how, but I was just trying to fix it at the other side. So it was giving me a hard time, but then it came out really nice. And so you try it out later.
Give me a chance. I know you can also. You could you quit most on Adamajamu Pagi boy. Ijala put a mamu puna boget chalugodi. Ijala put a mamu puna boget chalugodi. The king is here, make everybody go back there. Ijala put a mamu puna boget chalugodi. And a fulu go down, and a fulu go down. Ijala put a mamu puna boget chalugodi. The king is here, make everybody go straight to you. Ijala put a mamu puna boget chalugodi. Fearless, back to